If your crochet pattern starts with a magic ring, but you're not a fan, you can use a chain ring instead. Here's how. Step 1. Crochet 4 chains. Now we'll join to the first chain to make a ring. So step 2 is to do a slip stitch in the first chain. It's easier to put your hook under just the top loop of the chain. Yarn over hook and pull the yarn through both the chain and the loop on your hook. Gently pull your yarn end to tighten things up and stretch out your crochet. You'll see you have a little circle with a small hole in the middle. Poke your crochet hook through the hole a few times to make it bigger. We'll crochet our first round of stitches into this hole. So you just follow round 1 of your pattern and make your stitches into this chain ring instead of a magic ring. I'll use my free spiderweb pattern to demo, linked on screen now and below. Round 1 is 4 single crochet stitches. So put your hook through the hole from front to back. Yarn over hook and pull a loop back through the hole. Yarn over hook again and pull through both loops on your hook to make your first single crochet stitch. Let's do another stitch. Put your hook through the hole, yarn over hook and pull the loop through the hole. Yarn over hook again and pull through the 2 loops on your hook. That's 2 single crochet stitches. Now make 2 more single crochet stitches in the hole. That's our first round of 4 single crochet done. It looks a bit wonky, but joining to finish the round will fix that. We just need to slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch to join. To make the slip stitch, put your hook into your first single crochet stitch, yarn over hook and pull it through both the stitch and the loop on your hook. Now you have a nice neat circle of 4 single crochet stitches. So whether you start with this chain ring method or a magic ring, you end up at the same place after round 1. Watch my magic ring tutorial next to see which way you prefer. Got any questions? Comment below. Thanks for watching.